Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today in this video we will be discussing about the climate of India, basically the four seasons. In the previous video we discussed about the factors affecting the temperature. Those who have not watched, please watch properly and understand. So here we will be discussing the four seasons that are the hot dry season. Remember the four seasons along with the months, right? The hot dry season, that is from March to May. So remember the months. And the rainy season, or it is also known as the season of southwest monsoon. It has many names: season of southwest monsoon, or it is also known as advanced monsoon. Advanced southwest monsoon, or it is also known as onset monsoon. So when it is coming onset, or it is coming from the sea to land, that's why it is known as onset. So it has many names: the rainy seasons, advanced monsoon seasons, or the southwest monsoon season, or it is also known as onset monsoon season, right? Then again, the season of retreating southwest monsoon, when this monsoon season, southwest monsoon blows interior part of India, they return back, right? They return back in the month of October and November. Remember these months. This is the very important months, because of the questions will be basically coming from these characteristics, right? So June to September, this is 4 months. One character of the monsoon is it only rains 4 months, that is June to September. You can write about the characteristics of monsoon season of southwest monsoon. And then again, the third one is the season of the retreating southwest monsoon, which all the winds go and blow towards the interior part of the country. They return back, right? They return back in the month of October and November, right? Then the cold season, or the season of the northeast monsoon. The direction of these retreating southwest monsoon is replaced by the cold season. That is, due to the decrease of temperature, there will be the direction of the wind changes. So what happens during the winter season, that is cold season, that is season of the northeast monsoon, that is during December to February. So basically all these four seasons we will be discussing about the temperature conditions, the pressure conditions, and rainfall. So during and remember the hot dry seasons, how the temperature condition is. And please refer the textbook and try to understand, read once or twice, go through the chapters, so that you will be able to understand. You will be able to understand the concept of the chapters. Then I have already sent you the PDF of that, right? So I thought I would be interacting with you with the help of videos, so I just made it. So this hot dry seasons, remember to learn about the temperature conditions, what is the pressure conditions during that, and the rainfall, some storms that occur during the summer seasons. Then again, rainy season, this is the main that is basically asked in board exams, that is the advanced monsoon season or the southwest monsoon season, right? This is because India completely depends on southwest monsoon. The farmers completely depend on the monsoon season, so it is very, very important to learn. And which all the Arabian Sea branch or the Bay of Bengal branch, they are categorized, and which branch is more stronger, that we will be learning in the previous videos. And the third one is, that is season of the retreating southwest monsoon, that is during the October and November. So when it is returning, it takes place this. And then again, the cold season, during cold season you could see during the months of December to February is very cold seasons. And the season of the this season is known as northeast monsoon, as the wind blows from northeast towards the interior part of towards the sea, right? So these were the few points that we need to discuss of this all. So first go through, read once again, and then we will be able to understand better, right? Thank you so much. Keep on reading, practicing the maps, and keep on practicing the topographical map. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.